Gus Schmidt back again with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform and I'll be trading cryptocurrencies utilizing two indicators here. First of all, I have my cryptos set up here. These are OTC cryptos on the Pocket Option platform. So the first indicator I have set up is the Parabolic SAR here, also known as the Parabolic Stop and Reverse indicator. And the second indicator is the Williams %R, also known as the Williams % range indicator. Okay, now in the parabolic SAR settings here, I have the acceleration set to 0.03, maximum acceleration set to 0.3, and in my style settings, I have the line width set to 2 pixels. So we go ahead and save that. And for the Williams %R indicator, I have the period set to 10, and in the style settings, I also have the line widths set to 2 pixels each. Save that. And for my candlestick chart, I have it set to regular 1 minute traditional candles or Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I have my expiration set to 2 minutes. So I'll be taking fast 2 minute trades while looking at these 1 minute candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the Polygon crypto here, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, I'm seeing a strong bullish momentum in the crypto here, from the bottom left to the top right, showing a bullish trend. Secondly, the Williams %R line just crossed over the green 20 line in an upward direction here. And thirdly, the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print below the candles here. And this suggests to me a continued bullish breakout to the upside here over the next 2 minutes. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. We're trading with the trend here. The price action is showing us this strong bullish momentum here. So we want to trade with the trend. I'm trading with the trend here. And let's wait for the 2 minutes to expire. Also, as a side note, I waited for the price to close above this. You see this red candle here? That represents a level of resistance here, right here. And the candle here, this particular candle broke above the level of resistance. So that was another reason why I took the trade here. Sometimes, you come upon a level of, okay, if we won that trade, you come across a level of support here, a resistance, and the price may shoot back down. But we had all our indicators in alignment, and that's why I took the trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Chainlink crypto, and I just took a sell trade here. Hopefully I didn't take this sell trade late, but the reason why I took the trade is, first of all, we're seeing a bearish momentum in the price of the crypto here, in the price of Chainlink to the downside from top left to bottom right. Secondly, the Williams %R line crosses below the red 80 line in the downward direction. And then thirdly, the parabolic SAR dots are printing above the candles here. So all three of these confluences suggest a bearish momentum to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we lost that trade. Like I said, I, I think I took that trade a little too late. But in any event, let's pause the video. We're not going to win every trade, of course. So let's pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on the BNB crypto here, and I just took a sell trade. Okay, now the reason why I took the sell trade, first of all, we see here the a general downward push in the price of the crypto here. Secondly, yeah, so the price action is showing us sort of a bearish momentum, and then we see these strong red candles forming here at the end here. In addition to that, the Williams R line crossed below the red 80 line in a downward direction here. Thirdly, the parabolic SAR dots begin to print above the candles here. So all of these confluences suggest a continued bearish momentum to the downside in the price of the crypto. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Williams R is holding steady below the 80 line here. Also, I forgot to mention that this candle broke below this level of resistance. This green candle wick here you see that I'm pointing at broke below. So that also suggests a breakout to the downside here in the price. So extra confirmation. Okay, so we won that trade. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the infamous Bitcoin crypto right now, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took this sell trade is the this candle uh, broke some previous levels of support here. This level of support, if we go back and if we go further back, it broke this level of support here and continued to push downward. In addition to that, the Williams R line crossed below the 80 line, right? And also the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print above the candles here. So I believe that the price will continue to push downward, and the momentum will, you know, push to the downside here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Yeah, it's this was a good trade. I knew this was going to continue downward. Uh, like I mentioned, once you get those level of once the candles break those levels of support and push beyond, then most likely the price is going to continue downward. Okay, so great. So we won that trade. All right. So let me pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on the crypto ton coin and I just took a buy trade here. Now, the reason why I took the buy trade is this green candle here closed above this previous level of resistance here. You see the red wick and the green wick here, those represent levels of resistance. In addition to that, the Williams percent R line crossed above the 20 line, the green 20 line, right? And thirdly, the parabolic SAR dots are printing below the candles here. So all these confluences suggest a continued bullish momentum to the upside in the price of the ton coin crypto. So let's watch this trade and wait for the expiration. In addition, if you see here, there's also a general bullish momentum in the price of the crypto here. So we're trading with the trend. I'm trading with the trend here. And as you see here, it's continuing to push upward. Williams percent R line is steadily staying above the 20 line, the green 20 line. So let's wait for the expiration here. Awesome. So we won that trade. And so let me pause the video and look for one more setup, one or two maybe setups. Okay, so I'm on Bitcoin OTC crypto, okay? And I just took a buy trade here. Now the reason why I took the buy trade is we're seeing a general bullish momentum here in the price of the crypto. And in addition to that, the Williams percent R line has crossed over the green 20 line here, you see. And thirdly, the parabolic SAR dots have begun to print below the candles here. Okay, so all of these confluences suggest a continued bullish momentum to the upside. So let's watch this trade and wait for the expiration. Nice. Price is pushing upward as predicted. Williams percent R line is steadily above uh, the green line here. Candles are continuing to print below the candles here. Great. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to close out the session here. Had a pretty good session. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment on the strategy if you have any questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest trading videos. I also have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and or the channel description of the video. Um, like I mentioned before, we always want to trade with the general trend of the market here, and also we want to exercise good money management. So I've only been risking about 1 to 2% of my balance, uh, because the idea is that you want to get more wins than losses, and by doing that, you don't want to take risk in gambling too much of your balance, and you're losing potentially. So the idea is to win more than you lose, and that way you can grow your balance consistently. Okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.